Times are crazy, and you deserve a break. And with that said, let us segue into something more chill. Something I personally like to think has a calming effect. So, friends, you can invite your grown up to have a seat, grab a piece of paper, a number 2 pencil, and let's draw the original inspiration for a little blue Batsy good, Batgirl. So the first thing we're going to start off with is a nice long line toward the left going down, and it's going to start to curve to the right until you hit the middle of your paper like that. Then we're going to do the same thing on this side. It's going to go down, but this time it's going to curve to the left. Right when you get to about that curve, right here, it's going to start to curve down until you hit the middle right there. Now right about here, what we're going to do is a little teeny tiny letter V. And of course, that's going to be her nose. Then we're going to do a rainbow. Starting here, ending here, and we'll be going just above that letter V, just like this. All right, now what we're going to do next are 2 rainbows. Now, the rainbow that's going to be on the right side is going to sit diagonally on its left foot, while the rainbow on the left side will sit diagonally on its right foot, like this. One here, and one here. Now she kind of looks like she has like a little tiny smile with a long mustache, and she has the sad anime eyes. So let's go ahead and fix that. So we're going to give her 2 smiles underneath each rainbow. One here, and one here. Now, still not quite looking like Batgirl. Still kind of has 2 lemons for eyes. So let's fix that with 2 rainbows. One here, and one in here. And then let's go ahead and do a circle underneath each rainbow, sitting underneath it. Just underneath that one too. Now she's got pupils. Now, one of my favorite things to do is add like a little circle on the right corner. Right upper corner right here, right upper corner right there. And then shade it in. So now her eyes have a little bit of reflection of light. There's a little bit more realism to it. So then what we're going to do is give her a little smile. Still not my cup of tea. So what I'm going to do is add a little makeup and give her one upper lip here and one bottom lip. A little smile. So rainbow, smile, boom. Simple as that. So now let's go up and go ahead and give her the famous cape and cowl. So we're going to extend these a little bit, as much as you want really. And then we're going to make that into a triangle, going down to the right, and this one will go down to the left, and give a lot of space so she can have a forehead, and curve it off with a nice broad hill, just like that. Now, let's go ahead and give her, of course, a neck so we can have that head to have something to sit on. 2 lines, one here and one line, and they're going to be kind of parallel with the middle of her pupils, like that. And then we're going to do a line going down to the left for her shoulders and down to the right for her right shoulder. Then you can just go either all the way, depending on how wide you want her shoulders to be. So you can either make it all the way to the edge of the paper or just bring it down like I'm doing. Just cut it off like that. Now, right now, she looks like Catwoman. If you want to stop right here and say, hey, look, I did Catwoman. Good for you. But if you want to go a little further and make her into Batgirl, here's what you do. So right about here, right about eye level, you're going to do a hook. It's going to go down to the right and then straight down. And right before you hit her shoulders, you're going to stop. Because you're going to do the same thing on the other side from the left. Down and then to the bottom, and then give a little space before those shoulders. And then you're going to give a backwards letter C here for the bump. And a frontways letter C here. So now she has hair. There we go. Now we're almost done. So Batgirl also has like a little shadow piece for her mask, and it just goes right into those lines right here, and then a rainbow matching those lines. And really what you can do is shade in this whole spot right here, all of it. I'm gonna do, you know, a quick little shading here. There we go. Okay, and then going down, Underneath that, we're going to give her her cape, which is just a triangle right here. Underneath that chin, 1, 2. Now she has her cape. You're going to give her some details like wrinkles in the cape. And of course, the last part, last but not least, the part that everybody says is the hardest thing, the bat symbol. Now, the bat symbol, I'll give it to you simply, is just 2 letters. 2 letter M's, but 4 letter L's. I'll show you how we do it. So right about here, we're going to do 1 small letter M. But underneath it, you're going to give a letter M that somebody sat on, and the V in the middle is going to be a little longer, so it's going to be bent just that much. All right? Then you're going to do 1 letter L, starting here, that fell on its front, like that. Then you're going to do another letter L that turned around and fell on its back, like that. And now 2 letter M's, and what did I say, 4 letter M's? So let's do 2 more letter M's. That's your math lesson for today, kindergarten. And 1, 2. And there you go. All done with Batgirl. So guys, hope you guys have a great time with your families. Stay in, read a lot, do all your homework, and don't forget to wash your hands.